Good morning. Welcome back to another edition of the Free Exchange of Ideas. Today I'm going to talk about a project I'm hoping to start. It's a legal challenge to breaking their oath, politicians breaking their oaths in Congress by voting for and passing legislation that is anti-constitutional according to the Supreme Court. So what I'm going to do is get a hold of a couple of constitutional attorneys and see if they can do what needs to be done in that case. It won't be free, obviously. It's going to cost some money, and I might start a GoFundMe or nonprofit, something. We'll figure it out as we go. But I think that filing lawsuits against illegal laws is fantastic. I mean, we've done great things with that. However, they just keep making new laws. So I think we should start going after the root. Take their seat of power away from them, and they'll stop trying to do crap that controls us and fight the Constitution, the thing that they are bound by oath to uphold and protect. And by not doing so, they are throwing away their oath of office, in my opinion. The sixth I apologize. I wrote it down so that I wouldn't do that, but I forgot it. Anyway, in the Constitution part, not the Bill of Rights and not the preamble, but in the Constitution, the sixth article, that's what it is, sixth article, and I think it was the third and fourth or fourth and fifth paragraph, give us hope that that is a way to go to fight these people in Congress, in state legislatures, and all over. And I don't care what they wear on their sleeve. I don't care if it's an R or a D or I. It doesn't mean anything to me if they're not willing to support their oath and defend the Constitution of the United States. That's the bottom line. I don't care what your name is. I don't care how long you've been in Congress or in the Senate or in your state legislatures. It means nothing to me if you are not willing to follow your oath. So that's a project I'm going to start. And as soon as I can get a hold of a couple of constitutional lawyers who have standing in the Supreme Court or can plead their case in the Supreme Court, we're gonna start that project, because I honestly believe that they think they're bulletproof, they're untouchable, and that way they can do whatever they want, but they are wrong. And the only way to prove they're wrong is to take them to court. Now, I actually brought this up in my gun club, and the guy who was running the meeting pretty much shot me down from the beginning. It's like, well, why can't we? Well, it costs money. It costs money to run 2A or Fourth Amendment or any of these lawsuits. Why are you hesitant to do this lawsuit? And he said, well, only Congress can impeach congressmen and whatnot. And I said, that's not true, but I see where you're going with that. And if that's what you think, then I need to find other people that think the way I think, and that we can get things accomplished, because I'm tired of fighting little battles and not getting anywhere, because the battle means nothing to politicians. They just write new laws, and then it takes, upwards of 2, 3, 5 years to go through the court system. And if we had to go all the way to the Supreme Court says, we don't like this case so much as another case or something else, or we don't really feel that that's the case to bring at this point, we're screwed. And I'm not willing to accept that anymore. Now, one of the things that the leader at our club brought up was, well, what would you want for compensation? Attorney fees and $1. If I have to ask for compensation, I'll ask for $1. It's not about the money. It's about the Constitution. And that's the point. Anyway, that's what I got for you this morning, babies. If you have any questions, concerns, if you know somebody that can help me with this, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if I find a way to to put a donate button in here someplace, I'll do that. But don't count on it. It probably won't be there. But I'll let you know as soon as I know anything about how we can get this accomplished, how we can get this started. So, with that being said, live long, work hard, win the day. See you later, babies.